Good morning. It's morning today. I'm gonna show you my squishy. Oh, it's not a squishy anymore. This is my slow rising squishy. Let's just squish it. What is that? Okay, that's okay. I'm gonna show you my balloons. Wait, this one, guys, is my balloons. I really like unicorn because I wanna be a princess. So it's morning today. Good morning. So this one we're gonna eat some cheesecake. Let's eat it. I'm gonna show you the view, guys. Wait, there's the view. Oh, that's pretty, guys. That's pretty, guys. Huh? Is that pretty? Let's open it. So, I'm gonna eat some over my chair. Oo nga, no. Oh, I'm speak Filipino and I speak English too. So, guys, this one, let's go eat some cheesecake. We have we're here and we're gonna go. Mmm, so good. It's really yummy. This is this. I'm gonna show you the intro box. The intro bottle. This too is vegetable and fruits. The other is vegetable and fruits. The other is island. Wait. Island. See you next time, guys, in my video. Goodbye. Click the like button. Please subscribe in my channel and click the like button or leave a comment and share and like. This year you're gonna want in my Twitter, Netflix, and YouTube because I want to be a lion call. I want to be an engineer, guys, because I help people in the build some house. That because I like to build house. Goodbye. Goodbye, guys. I'm gonna next channel with you, huh? Goodbye so much. I love you so much, guys.